see the lemon or tamarind? Say loudly. Yes. What is the taste of a lemon or tamarind? Sure to taste, right? Have you ever observed the bitter gourd? Have you seen the bitter gourd? Yes. What is the taste of a bitter gourd? Bitter. So, similarly, one more thing. The leaves of the neem. What is the taste of the neem leaves? Neem leaves. Ajadirakta indica, that is the name. Vepa chettu. What is the taste of a leaf of a neem? వేపాకు రుచి ఎలా ఉంటుంది? It is bitter. It is bitter. So, here we learnt bitter taste and sour taste. If you want to increase the taste of a food material, which ingredient we can add for the food material? ఆహార పదార్థాల యొక్క రుచిని పెంచడానికి ఏ పదార్థాన్ని కూరలకు అన్నానికి కలుపుతాం? Say loud. Salt is added. Salt is added to increase the taste of the food material. Now we want to learn about acids, bases and salts. Sit down. Acids, bases and salts. And salts. So regarding this chapter we want to learn it. In the earlier classes already you learnt about, you heard about the acids, the bases and the salts. Some of the food material may have sour to taste. Some of the food material may have sour to taste or bitter to taste. Some food material may have very tasty. For all these cases, only 3 ingredients are essential. Acids, bases and salts. Acids, bases and salts. Say here, if a person is suffering with acidity in your home, a person is suffering with acidity in our home because of taking of overheating food. Large quantity of food is taken by one person in your family. He or she is suffered with acidity. What suggestion you can give? By taking the lemon juice or vinegar or baking soda solution. So here, ఒక వ్యక్తి మీ కుటుంబములో అసిడిటీతో బాధపడుతున్నాడు. అటువంటి వ్యక్తికి అసిడిటీని తగ్గించడానికి నువ్వు ఎటువంటి పదార్థాన్ని సూచిస్తావు? లెమన్ జ్యూస్ను సజెస్ట్ చేస్తావా? వినగర్ను సజెస్ట్ చేస్తావా? మరి నెక్స్ట్ మూడవది వచ్చేసి సోడియం బైకార్బోనేట్. దాన్నే మనం ఏమంటున్నాం? సోడా పొడి అని అంటున్నాం. బేకింగ్ సోడా. అసిడ్ అనేది మన శరీరంలో ఉంది, యాసిడ్ ఉంది. దాన్ని న్యూట్రలైజ్ చేయాలంటే ఏం కలపాలి? ద బేస్, then only the acidity will be decreased. That means sodium bicarbonate has the nature of basic in nature. The formula for sodium bicarbonate is NaHCO3. It is basic in nature. It is basic nature. So it is the basic nature. Now, all the substances we are not able to taste by using our tongue. Some of them are tasted by using the papers, that is known as the litmus papers. We can use the litmus papers. There are 2 types of litmus papers are there. Blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. Blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper. And the second one is red litmus paper. Red litmus paper. Now regarding this one, we want to learn the differences between Acids and bases. What are the differences which are observed in acids and bases? Say here, the first one is acids. Under the acids, what the differences do we observe? Under the bases, what differences do we observe? Bases. Now, one by one we want to learn it. The first one is acids are sour to taste. Acids are sour to taste. Acids are sour to taste. What about the base? What about the base? Bases are Chapo. Bases are bitter to taste. Bases are bitter to taste. The first difference we observe. Second one, acids turns the blue litmus. Acids turns the blue litmus. The blue litmus. The blue litmus into red color. Blue litmus change the acids, it turns the blue litmus paper into red color. See now. Similarly, bases turns the red litmus. Bases turns the red litmus. The red litmus. Red litmus into blue color. It is blue color. This is the second difference. Now the third one. Red litmus does not change the acid's color. Red litmus does not change. Does not change. Does not change. Blue litmus does not change. Blue litmus does not change. Does not change. So regarding to the another one, methyl orange indicator. What changes do we observe regarding to the methyl indicator? Acids, methyl indicator in acidic media. In acidic media, methyl orange changes to methyl orange change into or changes to red or pink color. Methyl orange changes to pink color. Now here in basic media, methyl orange indicator or methyl orange indicator. Methyl orange changes to yellow color. Changes to yellow color. Can you say the next one? What is the main difference? One of the synthetic indicator is there. What is the name of the synthetic indicator? Phenolphthalein indicator. In acidic media, sit down. In acidic media, in acidic media, phenolphthalein indicator. Phenolphthalein indicator. Phenolphthalein indicator changes to phenolphthalein indicator is colorless. Phenolphthalein indicator is colorless. Is colorless. In basic media, phenolphthalein indicator phenolphthalein indicator phenolphthalein indicator phenolphthalein indicator changes to red color or pink color. Red or pink color. How many differences we can find out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The main important differences. All acids produces H plus ions in aqueous solution. ఆమ్లాలను నీటిలో కరిగిస్తే H plus అయాన్లను విడుదల చేస్తాయి. All acids produce H plus ions in aqueous solution. In aqueous solution. What about the bases, Ra? OH minus ions. So all bases produce OH minus ions in aqueous solution. Next, very, very important one. The next important one here. The acids and the bases, some more important points. Under the acids, the pH value in acids are the pH value, power of hydrogen ion concentration. pH is less than 7. The acid's pH value is less than 7. In case of bases, the pH value is greater than 7. How the acids are produced? Here one more important point, we can write it here. Non-metallic oxide dissolves in water. Non-metallic oxides dissolved in water. Acids are produced. What about this one? Metallic oxide produces the bases. Metallic oxide plus water will gives rise to base. It gives rise to bases are formed here. These are the important properties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Say here, one more thing we want to learn it. Acid neutralizes the bases. Acids neutralizes the bases. Bases neutralizes the acids. Bases neutralizes the bases. For this one simple example, only one example, bases. So bases neutralizes the acids. Now simple example. HCl can be reacted with the base in a OH. It gives rise to salt is formed. It is a neutral compound and water is formed. Surely same reaction we can write it here also. Initially we can take it the base, that is sodium hydroxide. Base neutralizes the acid. It produces sodium chloride and water. Sodium chloride and water. So very, very important question. Either it is given for 2 marks or 4 marks or 8 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 differences are given here. 9 differences. In your textbook only 2 or 3 differences are given. 9 differences are given here. After this, if we want to understand the acids and bases, we want to carry out an activity 2.1. So, in order to understand the chemical and the physical, the chemical properties of acids and bases. Acids and bases. We want to conduct activity 2.1. Activity 2.1. Tomorrow we want to learn this 2.1 activity. So, are you understand the differences between acids and the bases? Yes. How the acids are produced? Non-metallic oxide can be dissolved in water, then acids are produced. What about the bases? How we can prepare the bases? Metallic oxides dissolved in water, then bases are produced. So today we want to stop this lesson. Tomorrow we want to continue this.